What is a bestie gang? I am back again with another vlog. Well, yeah, hack video.
You got two. You got 2 kills so far.
I got 2 kills. Okay.
Well, I got you 2 kills, but okay.
She got me 2 kills. So today, say hi, Malaya.
What's up?
So today, don't mind her hair, please don't. So
yeah, don't mind that. Don't mind that.
So today we're gonna be doing a video. Tell me what we're gonna be doing today.
Big sister challenge.
All right. She, even though I'm the oldest out of 1, 2, and 3. How old are you? 9. She's 9. I'm 10. She's
10.
4.
I'm 10. What you talking? 4. I'm not 4.
She's 4.
What you talking about me?
She's gonna be 10 today, and I'm gonna be 9 today. I'm gonna be the youngest. Well, besides that, youngest. I'm gonna be her age. She's gonna be my age, which is 10. She's
Hey, relax,
okay.
Relax. Don't shoot me. What you doing right here? Stop checking out your gun.
So I'm going to
Oh, in case you're wondering what I'm talking about, we'll be playing Fortnite.
Yo, she got me 2 kills, but they're my kills.
I don't get it though.
Okay, what time is it?
3:57.
Girl, how you see that? Alright, y'all. It's 3:57. We're gonna start this challenge at 4 o'clock. Okay? We're gonna start this thing at 4 o'clock. So for now, I'm the big sister. She's the little sister still, but it's 3:57.
I hate that though.
Hate what?
That I'm the small. I'm the little sister, and I'm taller than you.
She's actually the middle child, right? Middle child.
I'm older than all 3 of y'all. I mean all 4 of y'all.
Almost.
I mean all 10,
almost.
All 10 of y'all. I mean all 2 of y'all. Yeah, all 2 of y'all.
But hopefully we go somewhere.
Who trying to get with me?
Get with me. I got you about. Turn the AC on. Let's go. So y'all, let me show you how many kills I got.
No, how many kills I got her?
First, 2.
So they all trained. They had guns, but they didn't pull it out on me. So. Oh, I see somebody.
That's your teammate. That's my
It's not my teammate. What you talking about? That's not my. Oh my God! I stole my kill. They stole my kill.
Oh, right there. How many more kills you need? 1?
I need how many SMG kills? I got it. Watch out, she say I can't see.
And I died.
She said I can't see. Watch out. You can get here in the way.
We still got 2 kills, right? What time is it?
I don't know. 4 o'clock. 3:59.
3:59, yo. At 4 o'clock. We about to stop playing Fortnite. Stop playing Fortnite.
No, we not.
Yes, we are. Fortnite's boring.
Let's go.
I got 3 kills.
I got 3 kills.
No, she did it for me because I don't know how to kill. What
You know how what?
I don't know how to kill.
I need 2 more.
What you gotta get 5? What you need 5 for?
I need 5 eliminations. 5 SMG eliminations. I need some more ammo too. Yo, I got a kill and then I just died. That's crazy.
Stop cursing in my vlog.
What? That's freaking.
Well, don't curse about vlog.
Come on, I need some help.
Oh, what's the... But at 4 o'clock, we will stop playing Fortnite. We're going to be playing some lava.
We're not going to stop playing Fortnite. What you talking about?
Alright, what time is it? I'm the little sister today, bro. I'm the little sister.
Right now, you're the little sister.
Damn it.
So now you gotta listen to your big sister.
She don't even listen to me.
I know.
Even when I was 10 years old. Never listened to me. But I'm gonna listen to her.
Cause she have to.
I don't have to.
I know. But still, you're going to.
Or we could do both challenges. Do the big sister and we could do handcuff challenge. Or we could just do one. You want to just do one?
Huh?
You want to just do one challenge or both?
One. Come on.
Y'all, we're gonna stop this in 2 hours so I can do another vlog. I'm gonna do another vlog. She got this. She died.
I need an SMG. We winning right now anyway, so what's the point? But I want an SMG. I got a common right now. I got a common AR.
Stop.
If you don't know what an AR is,
Can you move? Cause she can't. I can't say it, and she can't say it.
You're big puffy here.
You out of the circle about to die.
He's not puffy.
That's not your teammate.
You AFK. He AFK.
We need one more kill, y'all.
He
Right?
is AFK. Yeah. He AFK right now. What? AFK means you're a freaking bot. That means that you like don't move and stuff like that. I need a tactical. I need an SMG. That's all I need. An SMG. SMG and I'll be cool.
Shut up.
No.
Yes.
Not until I get my SMG. I need some loot.
I'm only 9 years old, bro.
Yeah. Oh, all this loot.
You know what that means? She gets to treat me the way that I treat her.
Hey, I thought you were
Lele.
cool.
Lele.
Freaking older than me, huh?
That's how she be acting. She not-
F.
Oh, you
touching me.
AFK too?
Stop touching me, Siani.
Stop. We won.
You capping.
I got the last kill.
Victory
I
Royale.
got the last kill. I won us the game. I got the last kill. And we got 5 kills on them.
Victory Royale. That was the last one alive?
Show him.
I did. That was the last one alive?
You respawn when you get killed. But, hey. My turn. Let me send you in.
No.
You just let me play the whole game for
Shut
you.
up.
No.
Yes.
I'm older than you.
No, you're
I
not.
do what I want. Yes,
No, you're not.
I'm 10.
Shut up.
I'm 10.
Okay, Ian.
Shut up.
Okay, Ian, what you gonna do? Nothing. I don't mug you back.
You non, so you don't know how to fight.
Yes, I do.
You me right now, so you don't know how to fight. You can't fight. I think
So-
boxing class. Yep, that's how she be.
That's how she be. I don't. Wait. Pause this game. Well, pretend like I'm 10 and she's 9. I know how to fight. I took boxing class, so she's saying that she don't know how to fight because I'm
I took
9.
boxing class
Okay.
too.
Pause.
Yeah, you trash though. You can't fight. Look, you had to take my microphone out, like what?
This is how she
Come
be
to my
like.
party, bro. I don't be like that. I be like this. Don't hit me for real. I'm not gonna hit you. I be like
She don't even got her hands up the right way. It's like
I
this.
be like for boxing. I be like, come to my party, bro. How many eliminations I need so far? So far, I need 2 more eliminations of there.
Come on, Fortnite's done. Over with. I'm not over with Fortnite.
Why would you do that?
Fortnite's over. That's how she.
You're doing too much. You could delete some of my stuff. What are you doing?
Goodbye. You could download it back. You know that, right?
I don't want to play this.
Can you come on now?
No,
Come on, you got a vlog. She has the vlog, so you have to hold the phone.
no, I don't.
Yes, you do. You're 10. You have to vlog. You have, y'all. Right now, she has my YouTube account. She has my TikTok account. She has my phone number. She will be answering my phone. I will
Let's get this.
I will have her
I'm
phone.
leaving.
I will have her phone. She will have mine because she is 10. She will have her phone. She will have my phone. I will have her phone. Okay. So I'm about to go get her phone right now.
No, you're not. I don't want.
Yeah, because that's my phone.
I don't want to vlog no more.
You have to.
What happens if I press this button?
It's gonna stop. Here, vlog.
I'm not getting your phone and you're not getting my phone.
So that means you're not 10. Y'all.
If I don't mean I have to have everything that you have.
Y'all, we changing this challenge. We gonna do in the 24-hour handcuff challenge.
Handcuff.
Yup. That's better.
Handcuff on my hand.
Yes, I am.
Now
We finna do it.
go back.
Okay. I don't know where the handcuffs at. Okay.
Yes, you know where the handcuff at.
I don't.
You're not handcuffing my hand.
Okay.
Can you tell me where my hand?
Yeah, we do not have the key, do we?
Nope. Hey, that's why I'm not letting you.
I'm risking my life for this. Okay.
Yo, we got these from the from Home Depot. We got these. Wait, Dick's Sporting Goods, right?
Which hand you use the most?
Not right.
That one, right?
No, wait, that's my left. Yeah.
The left hand?
Wow.
That one you use?
Nope.
I'm asking.
Yep, that's the one I use. Wow.
The most?
Yes, why? Why? Yo, chill, yo. Shit, now I'm about to win this Fortnite game, and you gonna stay here with me, okay? Okay.
Yo, I probably just handcuffed myself to her, and she said she about to win this Fortnite game, and I have to stay right next to it with her.
So you won't have to stand up, cause I'm not
No.
getting up.
You get up. Come on.
Come on.
Then let me sit down.
Sit down.
Put the face this way.
Hey, a blue AR. What's the next one?
I didn't go bathroom.
No, you don't have to go to the bathroom.
Yes, I do.
You really don't.
I really do. I swear to God, I really do. I need to go bathroom.
You don't gotta go to the bathroom.
How much is that bet?
You're not going to the bathroom. Move.
Yeah, I need to go to the bathroom.
Come on, I can't pause.
You can pause.
No, I can't.
Start over.
No. Well, you gonna pee on yourself.
No, I'm not. I'm going to the bathroom. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No. Oh my God. Check on my hand.
Excuse me, Stacey.
And I'm recording y'all.
Yo.
So I'm recording them. They're so annoying. And they still recording. And they still ate. Because they still recording. And I'm recording them. And I'm recording.
Get out. I'm in the bathroom.
That is?
No.
Okay.
So you got your hair washed already?
Hold on. I need to wash my hands.
No, you don't. Come on.
You know you have to be clean.
Hurry up. Come on, hurry up. No, I'm not washing my hands. Hurry up. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Huh?
I'm cooking them.
Okay, I gotta go upstairs. Okay, I'm going back upstairs. Hi. Oh,
My better head died. I'm still in the same place? Okay.
she didn't die, yeah. I'm lucky.
What's up? Come on. What's up?
I have to say. Oh, that was a good pee.
I'm so mad though. I'm happy I didn't die, but I'm mad. Yo, what you doing? Somebody kill me? No, okay. Oh, trash.
Oh my God, yo. Okay, guys. Okay, I don't know where to put y'all guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna be sitting on the floor right next to her.
I'm single, so let me not do what I want. Now I'm about to go look for people so I could kill them.
She's out blur. We still handcuffs.
She's all my love, let's all look blue. She's all loud, let's all look blue.
I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty, y'all. Psych. Wasted on you. Got it. She died. Come on, go get something to drink.
No. It's my turn now, so no.
I'll go to the bathroom. Only took me 2 minutes, so in 2 minutes we gotta go.
bestie.
What time is it? What time is it? It's 4:12. So
Hey,
at 4:15.
Hey, besties.
So I'm gonna give her 3 minutes.
So,
At 4:15,
challenge.
we gotta go get me some water, okay?
So, we're gonna do this challenge over. So we can go get my
Look, she not cool.
and then we'll go home.
Our little sister's trying to record, but she can't.
She not even recording. That's funny, you know why? And she not recording.
Dad, I'm having a sleepover with my birthday. And then my dad is gonna find me some balloons. Are you ready, guys? I think
I was laughing so hard. Okay. I know I was laughing too hard.
and then we're going to then my dad gonna buy some balloons.
She said that.
What time is it?
She said it like 2 times. 4:13.
What was y'all laughing at?
Nothing. Relax, man. Nothing laughing at nothing.
We gotta go downstairs at 4:15, okay?
So I'm going home
Okay.
and then I'm gonna
But it's not 4:15 right now.
say happy birthday to me.
Oh my god, they already opened
And
it.
then my dad
You're
gonna buy me and then
I'm
my
single.
dad gonna buy
I'm
me
single.
some balloons.
Guys, in 2 hours,
Let's get this.
well, we're gonna
let's
stay
get
tuned for the
this
rest of the
show
day until 8 o'clock.
You
started.
gonna what?
We're gonna stay handcuffed until 8 o'clock.
Yo, teammates.
Wait, if we do go
Teammates.
somewhere, if we do go somewhere, how we gonna get dressed?
Teammates, can y'all, I don't know.
Yo, she didn't even think about how we gonna get dressed. I was going, wait. She's like, wait. What time is it? Chad.
4:14.
She got 1 minute.
Well, let's get this challenge starting. And then my dad gonna buy me some balloons. And then we're going back home. Let's get this
She said it like 4 times.
Five.
Challenge. Woohoo.
I need some more bullets.
What time is it?
4:14.
She got 1 minute. I'm gonna tell her, huh?
Have you cost me this match? I swear.
Hang on, no.
Why not? What?
So get off.
That's dance on you? No, put your shirt up.
What time is it?
Huh?
Put your
Let me see
shirt
the
up so I can
4:14.
stand on it.
No, let me see.
It's 4:14.
What's that?
See, I ain't
She camping.
It's 4:15.
Let me see.
It's 4:14, y'all.
She camping.
back.
It's
No, I'm
4:14.
saying.
And then we're
Yes,
going
it is.
If you show me, then I'll give you another minute.
Then we're going
another
to
2
the
minutes. Okay.
market.
So you give me another 2 minutes.
So guys, we're gonna get
So you
this
got to-
challenge ready.
Let's go.
You got till 17.
I got some 17, so. Yo, Siani.
Why you record, Tiani?
Come on, you made me press that.
Tiani, you made me.
You doing too much.
Lele, Tiani, press the red thing.
That's recording.
Talk, please talk. So you can record.
Hello?
You're recording. I said you was never recording. You was talking to yourself.
You really was.
You done that though.
Let's get ready. And then I'm recording.
She's not even recording. Press the red button. So you can record.
Yeah, now you're
Now
recording.
she recording.
Right?
Yeah, now she recording.
Let's go, guys.
I need one more. I need one more.
Oh.
I need one more. Tanya, I need one more kill and then I can get my stuff.
What's stuff?
I said,
Get him, get him.
Let's go.
Hooray.
I got my stuff.
let's do a dance party.
I'm going to have to swap out this for a minigun.
Come on, Siani, let's dance.
You got it, Barry. Come on.
Siani, Q, dance for me.
Hey, you're not even recording, sister.
Recording is dancing, so I'm recording, and then
What
I'm
time is
going back home.
Hey, 17.
Yeah.
Alright, hold on. Wait,
No,
I'm
no,
gonna
it's time.
It's my last time. This is my last kill. Okay, they're right here. They're
Go
over
to the
here.
mall,
This is her last kill, y'all.
and
And if you don't make
And then I'm
it,
gonna collect my stuff.
then I'm going
right
to
here.
the center. Okay, so
That's a
let's get
machine.
this
I know.
ready.
It's not a machine. It's a.
Let's get this
mini.
video ready.
All right, come on.
Is there
Look,
a
I'm about to let me
video?
I'm about to see how much stuff I got.
it's time to go.
Wait. I need to earn my stuff first.
I'm about to pull her. Because I've been so hard. Hold on, let me
Come
see.
on, y'all go to jail.
This is my sister vlog.
Y'all, so we going
Wait,
to
Siani, come on, wait. I earn my stuff.
She trying to buy.
My stuff.
What you get?
My screen. Now I gotta deal damage with sniper rifles to our opponent 500 times.
Started.
So let me do it
Let's
right
get
now.
this party started. And then going back home.
Is Daddy home?
I don't know.
You on level 10. I'm on level 11.
So I'm recording.
Playing Fortnite
I'm
like that.
recording
Go to
it.
my locker.
I'm sad.
Go to my loading screen.
So we're
And let's
going
use my
back
new
to the
loading
mall.
screen.
So
I'm
buy
recording
some
you.
more clothes. And we're gonna
Wanna see how many skins I got?
go to eat at the mall.
No.
So let's get
You wanna
this
see how many
challenge
skins I got?
started.
Yo, y'all wanna see how many skins I got? Tell them how many skins I got.
2.
Tell them.
Oh, she got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Bro,
5,
these
6.
are not skins.
Which one's you? Oh, this?
Yeah. Tell
She
them
got
how many-
1.
I don't got.
I don't know.
You know how many skins I got?
I really don't because I don't even know.
Recording.
Don't you know how many skins I got?
Dancing.
You know how many. You just.
Oh, she got
jealous.
15.
Yeah. 15. Y'all can't see him until I get this video to 1K likes.
I only got
And
5. I only got 5 subscribers. How can I get the 1K likes?
Oh, man.
If this video gets let's say what, 5 likes,
No, 5 likes.
10 likes,
No, 20. No, 30 likes.
30 likes, she will
Then
show you
I'll
all
show
her
you.
stuff.
Where your phone go?
Okay. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm about to go get some water.
And then it's my turn. And I'm gonna go to the bathroom. And I got a dookie.
Oh my god.
Come on, Sisai.
She got a dookie. She got a dookie. Yes, ma'am.
I got a dookie.
Hold the phone for me.
You go
Why
right there.
had to go with y'all?
Come on.
You don't have to.
No, because you're gonna touch the game.
Hi,
What
Daddy.
about me? I'm gonna get locked up.
Sailor, why you so loud? You basically yelling. You the only one yelling.
So Dad.
Come on.
I know Daddy was home. I told you Daddy was home. No, because Milo was barking.
Mario,
I need
come
some
on.
more water.
Come on. I'm gonna switch my hand.
Why?
I just want to. They can't even see us. Turn the light on. Come on. First one to do is a rotten egg. Can y'all still see us?
Say love.
See, I'm not playing. Oh, say. Oh. You don't have to work it out. I'm stronger than her.
I got
Oh,
the
some apple
light.
juice. Come on.
Yeah,
Now we're
let's
gonna
put
pay
both of
some
them
apple
down.
juice.
I'm putting both of the lights down.
Apple juice.
I'm putting both
Let
of
me
the
get my
lights
cup.
I
down.
only drink water.
Lila, I'm putting both
Me
of
too.
the
I drink
lights
water and
down.
apple juice.
Now turn both of the lights down.
Okay, now we're gonna have to work together for this water because it's so loud.
You don't have to work together. Put the apple juice. Sensei, stop.
Turn the lights on. Stop playing with the lights.
I don't need it.
All right, let's put the apple juice first.
Seven.
I'm
Turn
gonna
the light
pour the
on.
apple
Turn it on. Turn it on.
Turn the light
It's making
on.
it dark.
Nothing going to happen to y'all. It's a light right here. It's a light right here.
Come on, gotta turn the light on.
Nope. Not today.
Come on. No, you ain't got no apples.
Still.
Sensei, stop playing with the lights. Turn it on.
It's the first time trying apple juice, yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay, it's fine.
That's good.
So if we turn the light, all the lights on you, you gonna see.
Still night.
I'm gonna turn all the lights on. Put it at the bottom. Sensei, stop playing with the lights. Come on, Tiani. No, come on. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Open it for me. Open it for me.
You got it?
Oh, I just have a nerve.
Yes.
Eddie.
I have. You forgot there's another bathroom.
Yes, I forgot.
Yeah, can we just go upstairs?
Thirsty. I'm so thirsty. I'm about to drink all this.
Can we just
So
go?
slow.
What?
What's wrong?
Like,
I'm about to pee on you.
touch my Eddie cup neck.
Go back. Come on.
Yeah, we want me to pee on you. Cause you would have been looking like that.
Why y'all both locked up?
I'm single.
Wait, I'm gonna hold on to this.
Get off.
I'm gonna get locked up too. Just slowly.
Hurry, huh?
How y'all gonna unlock?
We ain't think that through.
We really didn't. We don't got the
How
key.
y'all gonna get unlocked?
I'm just gonna squeeze my arm hard. To get
No,
out.
Lele. How y'all gonna get
Sensei, I
unlocked?
just said it.
Ugh.
No, don't touch
What?
it.
Turn the light on. I just forgot.
No,
That's my eggs.
Really though. To go to these stuff. Yeah, deal. That's why you go with that. Just because he be selling all that in his job. I'm about to drink this so slow.
It looked like nothing was in here.
You wanna play checkers?
How we gonna play checkers?
Easy.
I wanna go play the game. It's my turn now. Let me go turn the game off so I won't die.
Alright, y'all. We about to go turn the game off and come back down here and play checkers. Okay, bro. We staying down here.
We're watching YouTube. Come on.
I play checkers.
Checkers are trash, but okay. You're not gonna lose.
I'm not, because I got better at it. Yo, we about to play checkers right now.
When you play it, come on. I'm gonna go turn the game off.
Let's set it up first.
I gotta go turn the game off.
Go turn the game up. Hurry up. Oh, I forgot. Leave his handcuffs. God dang it.
the glasses. Can I get locked up?
No, it's only 2 handcuffs, not 5 or 3.
Can you put that on the side, please? Oh, no.
I have to do everything y'all tell me.
No, we don't.
Come on.
It's hard. It's really hard. Be handcuffed.
Come on. Yes?
No, stop running.
Huh?
Stop running.
Milo.
No, I said stop running.
No, mommy's over here, Milo. Why is she looking so big?
She is big.
Come on, get up.
Go, come on.
Door.
Let's go.
The door.
Let's go in here. Let's go in here.
Come on, let's go.
Don't go in the playroom.
We are still handcuffed, y'all. Look. Yo. You're still handcuffed.
Yo, get out the hallway.
Alright. Come on.
Oh, I should never made it tight. Yo, I just made it tighter.
Lala, can you walk me to downstairs to the
Silla,
bedroom?
no.
Because I'm scared downstairs at the bathroom.
Stop.
I'm scared, Lala.
Says well, am I supposed to keep turning the lights on and off?
You should. Why didn't you just put one of those down here?
Oh, I almost dropped you. Okay. How we turn the game off?
Don't touch it. How you mean how I turn my game off?
Yeah, how she took her.
I'm still not showing you my skins.
Do this even work?
No.
Why?
Oh no. On the internet, baby. As y'all can see, I got PlayStation Plus.
She got PlayStation 4.
PlayStation Plus.
4?
Plus.
Yeah.
PlayStation PS4, but PlayStation Membership Plus. That means I could get some free games like that.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying?
She's trying to blur, and I'm trying to blah, blah, blah.
You know what I'm saying?
So I mean, I do what I want.
I'm single. I'm single. I'm not single. I'm not single. I am.
Oh. Hurry up, you got 5 seconds. I'm about to pull you. 5, 4, 3, 2. She could pull you. Back up.
I'm still ordering you for the day.
That hurt it. Go.
Still ordering you for the day.
She's still ordering me. Safe.
She's making a bed for me. You forgot?
They can't even see us. Hold on. Better light, man.
Come on.
Who that?
Say.
No, who that?
Don't sound scared, Siani. Come on.
What the?
Come on, where you going? Come
Where are
on,
you going? Malaya.
I want to get the TV remote.
No, we're playing checkers.
I'm getting a TV remote too. Come on, move. Come on.
How much is it, please?
Oh, I'm turning on for you. Go on the other side. Well, you know what's here in my left hand? My right hand.
What you say?
My right hand, but I'm going to keep it on the left hand.
Remember I just played the game with Daddy?
She finna keep that handcuff on her left hand. Because she play better with the right.
Because I just played with
That's all.
Daddy.
Come on, go.
Daddy.
She. Why would you put it on your left hand? Why would I put it on your left hand?
Can I play with you?
I told you so.
Can I play with you?
No. After this round.
I said, wait.
I'm white, y'all.
After the
No,
round,
oh yeah, you're right. All right, I'm black. Yeah.
after the round,
That's his pay.
Come on. You need 12 pieces. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here. I know you Bella, my dog.
So yeah, how we play
put
checkers?
on PJ Masks.
It's better not to move your
They
back
know how to
pieces.
play checkers.
No, they don't.
Don't you know how to play? I'm thirsty. I want some of my juice. Hey, say, watch out. You want my hair.
Sorry.
I'm missing one, right?
No.
Yeah.
But yeah, you sure.
Right there.
Come on, get up. Get up.
Come on, right back, yo. Don't touch nothing.
Come on. Say back up.
But how y'all gonna play if y'all locked up?
I use
Easy.
my right hand.
Oh, that's wet. You use the left hand?
I use my right hand. This is my right hand.
Left, right.
Right, left, right. What you talking about? For you, it's like my left. To me, it's my right. Left, right.
Oh, okay. I'll go first.
Look at your hands.
Right.
Yeah, left, right.
Oh, yeah. I'm slow.
I make the best moves. She claims she getting better.
You go jump, man.
Go. A connect 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
A connect 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? We had no idea how to play checkers. So yes, we do. First jump.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
Number uno.
Do it.
Can do that.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Tato.
No, but I wasn't gonna say that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Marco. We got
Okay.
chicken and a lato. Pizza and zapatos.
Where you move?
Still getting queso, la nacho. 1, 2, 3.
That shit. Tato.
Oh. Getting queso, la.
Don't jump me.
You gonna jump me back? I'm not stupid.
I'm really not. That's what I want. I'm gonna move this piece.
You gonna jump me back? Say I'm not so stupid. You were salty. I hate it from the zapatos.
What?
1, 2, 3, 4. Caco.
She can jump. No, I'm gonna get trapped. I'd rather get trapped though. My first piece. Dang, she's on me back.
You could jump me when I was right here, but there was nobody right here.
Oh no, those. Let me see.
If y'all thirsty, get water
Yeah.
or apple juice.
You ready? I mean,
He's like, wait, that's not your piece.
I just make me
It's mommy.
I know it's not my piece. I was doing this. I just did that.
Go ahead, come on.
Oh, I can't jump you nowhere.
Why you want my piece?
I
Yo, Sian, you cheating.
I was
You
like
wasn't right here. I was right here and you was right there.
I never had a piece right here. I moved it. You jumped me, remember?
Yeah, I'm not safe. Why you cheating? You cheating.
How?
You cheating. Yo, did she move one of my pieces? Like,
I'm sorry, my love.
you cheating.
How am I putting your pieces?
You need to cheat to win. Like, that's it.
How? I didn't cheat.
Go.
I didn't cheat.
Go. That's how trash you are. Go.
Go put my phone on, Tony.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I remember I had to stay to the part so my phone about to die, but what are you doing?
Trying to slide it up, talking. And what is it? I mean, why do it feel like this?
Cause you do.
My turn.
It's not your turn. I didn't move.
Go.
Oh wait, it is your turn. I moved.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. My turn. No, you move right here. Oh, my
I
turn.
didn't
Go
move.
ahead. Go.
No, well, no.
You gonna move your back piece?
Maybe.
Yes. Move your back piece.
No, I'm not moving my back piece. Crazy?
You said you was gonna move your back piece.
I might. Yes,
You
I
can't. Oh, you can do that. You gonna wear your back piece?
Oh wait, yeah, I'm slow. I was about to take this piece because I thought you were gonna leave it there.
What you doing?
I was about to do that.
What you doing? You should never dropped it. You could have double jumped me.
Okay.
You could have. Come on. Come on.
Wait, let me think.
My arm hurt.
My
No.
arm hurt too.
Girl, my arm hurt more than you. Yo, making the handcuffs break. Stop. Get off.
These are cheap handcuffs anyway.
They cost $16.
Cheap handcuffs.
So what is a lot to you?
The real handcuffs don't.
These are the real handcuffs.
These real handcuffs, yeah. Don't hurt.
They're not like the cop handcuffs, the ones that's like these together. The ones that's like these, they're not like that. They're the dangly ones.
If I move my back piece, what you gonna do? So say if I move this piece, I'll take your piece. How you gonna get to my back piece?
I could get a king, yeah.
How you gonna get a king if I take this piece?
I can't get a king. Yeah. Unless I move all the way up.
But you go back.
But you're gonna jump me if I move right there, so. Go ahead.
I'm stupid enough.
It's your move.
Okay, so if I do that, I'll take this piece.
I know my turn.
And then you'll jump me back. And then, oh no, I'm definitely not doing that.
Go ahead, come on.
Oh, I'm gonna double jump you.
How? Man, I didn't want you to see it.
I still want to play.
Yo,
You
I
gotta
double
wait.
jumped there. I saw that.
I want to play.
Oh my god, I didn't want y'all to see that.
I double.
Come on, you hide. Come on.
It's your turn.
I just moved.
Go play.
To see you out of the way.
I just noticed that.
Go. Come on, man. I'm letting you win anyway.
No, you're not.
I am letting you win.
Catherine.
Why would I let you? No, Mom. I am letting you win. Go ahead.
So next round we play, don't let me win, okay?
Go ahead.
I was gonna jump you. Might as well move my mom enough.
Go. No, tres y caca. Gigantes ananatos. Big tribe, not trapezados. Still denteso. Nachos. Go. 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 Come on.
You're gonna jump me anyway right now.
No. She said, stop doing it.
Go ahead, jump me.
I got a king. She's stuck. Cause
See, I'm gonna just king her right now.
No, what you doing? Go. She said, stop and just drink the apple juice.
I don't even know that was hard. I thought that was
Come on,
my
go.
Not
I went.
Where you go?
I was right here. Move right
No, you didn't. I saw you because you wasn't right there at that.
Yes, I
you
was
was
right
right
here.
here the whole time. No, you wasn't, Asiani.
How?
I
It's your
saw
piece.
you. You was right here the whole time.
No, I wasn't. I just did
No,
that.
you cheating. You
How am I
cheating.
cheating?
Oh my God, I don't care. You cheating. Wait, you be cheating. Give me my piece. Cheater. That's why you about to lose. Go.
Okay.
Come on. She thought she was winning. My turn. I feel good. Go. Feel good. Da da da. I feel good. You nervous? She nervous. Go ahead. Go.
No,
What?
it was right here.
Yeah, and I moved right here. What you talking about? Right here? Go ahead. Go. Oh,
Damn.
go. You can't do that. You can't do that.
Yeah, get. Come here, get.
Okay.
Come on, what you doing? I want to move it. Let me move it.
Yo, she won. Let's play again.
No, I didn't win. Come on.
You did win.
I didn't. Come on.
Okay, let me just try it myself.
You can't move twice. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Alright, my turn. Okay. Go ahead. Go. Come on. Go.
No, you move back.
I'm a king. I can move anywhere. Like, what, Tiani? That's why you don't know how to play checkers.
No, you wasn't. You was right here.
I was right here.
You moved back.
Oh, my God. Like, go. You about to get jumped anyway. What's the point? Where go?
I'm about to get
Go.
jumped. Okay.
You can't go. I won.
Okay then.
I'm black. She trash.
I'm black.
She trash.
I know she trash, yo.
What?
I was about to win too.
No, you wasn't.
Yes, I was.
No, you wasn't.
I double jumped you.
Okay, so what? That don't mean nothing. You're still trash. I'm black. What are you talking about? Give me my black pieces back.
You already got all the white.
Give me my black.
Girl, you already have all the.
No, give me my black. You got like 2 pieces of black. Give me my black.
Come on, I already have.
I'm not playing. I don't want to play. Come on. I'm not playing. Come on. Okay, here go your black. Yeah, give me my black. You mad for nothing. Okay, just
I already had all the black. I was always going to take it back.
I don't care. It's one of my black.
Why is the board sideways?
God, how am I supposed to play like this? You about to lose again.
I'm not. You about to lose.
Comment down below what you think gonna win. Me? Team.
Go first. Can you go first, please?
Team Malaya about to win. Sienna's okay. Go. I'm at the break the chair.
Okay. Wanna do that?
Squeak it behind chair. Come on. Go.
Where you move to?
I'm not telling you, I don't have to.
You cheated.
I moved right here. Like, what?
Oh, okay.
No, come on, what are you doing? My arm hurt. I'm not moving the back.
My arms hurt
I
too.
don't care. What did you do? I'm on.
Okay, bye. Where you going?
Right here.
You gonna stand up the whole time? That's on you. I'm moving right. I'm moving right. And you pick it up too.
What are you doing? Stop throwing stuff.
Pick it up.
That's how you missed it. Stop throwing pieces.
I
What you
didn't.
doing? Throwing pieces. What are you doing?
She broke the handcuffs. Yo, she broke the handcuffs. We gotta finish anyway.
What? I thought.
She broke the handcuffs, but that's the end of the vlog. Bye, guys.